Look at all these people. They're showing up for the food. The food is so good here. Sis, tell me so much about this food, Danny. What do they eat in America?
Well, Northwest favorite. We love our steelhead salmon because it is highest in D3. It's nothing but the best tasting. It holds. It's a delectable fish. Wonderful fish.
Yeah.
But here's something that we're working on all the time. Sometimes she doesn't like the heat, so you gotta give her a little more cream. Sweeten it up a little bit. That mixes with that oil nicely. Turns it nice and white again. That's the yummy part. Full of D3 oil.
It is a
Here we have the Bernays. This is.
Oh, the Bernays! I know that is your fresh well.
Oh.
There's a Bernays.
Maybe
I love the Bernays.
Maybe I should have you make my Bernays.
Oh, I can make the best Bernays. I'll give you the French.
Oh,
the French blessing. From Bernays.
You French are pretty pushy.
Well, I'll give you the French blessing. I surrender to.
Ah, I see.
I surrender all the time.
That's nice. You
I surrender. Yes.
How sweet.
Very much. I surrender.
Is she making me blush?
Oh, good. I'm a hot.
Are you a salmon eater?
I eat the salmon.
Ah, you should try our
I can eat
fettuccine
the
Alfredo.
salmon, the fettuccine.
Maybe make you a little
Oh, the
fettuccine.
fettuccine, like
And we spell it
ratatouille.
with the correct way. C-I-N-N-E-E.
Oh, very much. Yeah.
Not that I stuff.
Oh, is that?
You know what I mean?
Oh, yes.
Yes, you do.
Yes, like the
Well,
phone.
sit back for a
Like the
second here.
frog.
I'll prepare a chicken Alfredo.
Oh, chicken Alfredo, yeah.
We got to cover them up. Let's do it.
We are going to be making this chicken Alfredo. Oh, the butter. Very nice butter.
First
Oh,
mushrooms.
the honte is.
Now, when we're making Alfredo, small bowl, a little bit of these, some onions, some mushrooms.
Look at that, the milky fettuccine. Oh, that's so good, yes. Everybody wants to eat it. It is so good, I want the fettuccine, man.
Then we have a little
It
parsley,
smells delicious.
little parsley.
Oh, that's so delicious. Yeah.
Some scallions.
Oh, look at the bubbling. Oh, the bubbling so nice. That's a very nice. It's cooking so much. Cooking with the gas. The gas is better than the electric. Yeah?
Little gluten-free pasta.
Gluten-free pasta, yeah.
Oh, we offer here. We're the healthy choice.
Do you have any snails?
No
escargot?
no escargots.
No escargots. Oh, no.
Ah,
No escargot free
I
food.
don't. Ooh, a lot of people love that escargot. Not me. I'm not a fan. And this is we put it back in the jacuzzi, get a little bit
yeah,
warm
very
because,
nice.
but it's still al dente, firm to the bite. Firm to the bite. It's pretty pasta. You wait till you get it rolling really nice like this right here. See how that skillet's going, darling?
Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, delicious. Very delicious. Oh, oh, oh. Yummy, yummy. Look at the way that it works here.
A little more cheese.
Very cheesy with the parmesan. Oh, cheese is the parmesan. The Alfredo. So good, so good. Look at the garnishments. The garnishments. Garnishments.
We'll take that home to mama.
Yum. Delicious food.
Come on down to 777 Hardland Drive, the Prairie Pavilion, 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock, and we feature full menu and always a special of the day. Come see us.
Woody's Eats, one bite you'll see. Smoked salmon legend locally. Woody's Eats, one bite you'll see. Smoked salmon legend locally.